Okay, so hello, my name is Ivo. I'm from Bulgaria. I graduated my master degree of mechanical engineering. I immediately started working for HGTECH. So I've been actually quite a long time in HGTECH, like for 6 years. I've been in HGTECH and it's been like every year has been a pleasure. It's been great. I chose HGTECH because HGTECH is working with very high-level technological machines, and it will give me the opportunity to really learn and improve myself. And I managed to overcome all of them, especially thanks to my colleagues. Actually, this is one of the reasons I really like to work here. All of the people that I work with are very helpful and very professional, and they know how to guide me and how to make me overcome all the problems I see.
My name is Ali Abdullah. I came from Yemen. So currently I'm working in HGTECH. My personal growth, it's when I came to the company, it's I know the basics, but currently I know much better because the company offers many training programs. So firstly, I'm working now as an engineer. So after that, I will be working as sales engineer. These days, it's when I came to HGTECH, it's I go daily to the factory. I go daily to the factory to learn about the machine's parts, laser heads, cutting heads, each and everything. So I try my best to learn. So these things could be beneficial for me to convince the customer and make him agree to buy our machines. The company name is so big. The company name is so big, so that's a big advantage for me. Also, the engineers here are so expert, so I will learn from them. It's the advantage we have. It's I will work for the Middle East, so I will be having a market or a country that I could sell our machine in. So maybe the advantage that I speak Arabic. I also speak Chinese. I also speak English. So these advantages for me, it's more valuable for me. So I could go to these countries and I will have no problem regarding selling or going to factories or the companies in the Middle East region.
Somehow it was different for me because this is my first time to work in China, in Chinese company. So according to Chinese regulation, working in the company, we came from 8 and we left at 5:20, and the company helped me, provide me with good teamwork and with good team leader. So they help me with everything. When I have problem, they provide me with the solutions. When I need help in anything in machine and installation, they help me and they teach me everything about the machine.
I can see there is a very, very big future for the company because we are growing very fast. Our engineers are very smart, and we have a perfect lead, which can lead us and all the employees to a great future. So this is, I think, the future of the company will be something which above expectations actually.